Afternoon folks, 21st century caveman here. Hope everybody's safe, hope everybody's well. So today we're back in the woods, just been scouting for a little spot just to, camp up and that and put a bite to eat on. So I think I've found a nice little place. Just there, look, there's a nice trunk which has fallen down. So I'm going to just clear up the area a little bit, get rid of any twigs and any pointy bits, and that's going to be my seat. And we'll cook up some food. Right guys, so I've just spent the past 15-20 minutes just clearing this area out. I've tried to flatten a couple of little areas so I can do some cooking and have a brew. I've just chopped a few bits of branches, bit of deadfall all off the forest floor just to make a little blind. And as I say, I've got a seat down there, so I'm just going to put a brew on. So as we can see, today I have with me my Keith titanium cook set. So currently boiling up some water for a brew. There's a cup on there, look. Cheers. Best of health. So what have I been up to then? And the answer is not a lot. Other than work. I work full time, as you know. It's been very busy, stressful, but just the way it goes, isn't it? We need to be grateful sometimes that we've actually got a job, we've got a steady income, and we can, enjoy or put money aside for those things which give us pleasure. Holidays, perhaps a new car, visiting family, friends, all that sort of good stuff. Okay, these times will come, but we've got to be patient, haven't we? In terms of DIY, absolutely zilcho. I've got no motivation or enthusiasm for it whatsoever. Also, because I have this sort of like sad syndrome, I bet a few of you are laughing, but I do get very depressed this time of year, and I sleep a hell of a lot. So if I've had a sort of like a busy or quite stressed out work, I do sleep a lot. I need my sleep basically. I need time for my brain to recharge. But there we go, it's enough talking about that. Not really a lot to report, to be honest with you. I'm starting to get quite hungry, so I need a bite to eat. So in the UK then it's 3:30, so give it half an hour and it'll start to get dark. It's normally dark round about sort of 4:30ish, perhaps a little bit before, but in the woods it always gets dark quicker. So if, for example, it gets dark at 4 o'clock, you've got to work in the bases up at 3 o'clock, you're going to need a head torch. Either that or trip over and break your bloody leg. So yeah, I've got a nice little place here. That's really nice. I feel quite nice and settled over here. It's good. So yeah, looking forward to spending a few hours here. We'll leave after dark, obviously, but the main thing is to relax, to chill out, re-energise, and just appreciate the fact that I've actually got my health, mobility, to be able to come to a place like this. Just to be grateful for what I've got. Anyway, I think it's time to put some grub on, don't you? So I've got the hobo stove then, made out of an old IKEA. I think they're called utensil holders. So a lot of the work is done for you. It's got a load of holes in it anyway. I just did some mods to it and cut a big hole out the front so I can stick some bits of wood timber and that in there. So I'm just going to have another couple of sups of tea. I mean, this mug keeps tea hot for a couple of hours, so I'm just going to start gathering some stuff, some fuel, so we can get some bannock cooked up. Alright, I'll catch you in a bit. And I really do appreciate you joining me, thank you. So we can see the sun is going down. It's been a lovely day actually. Beautiful orange colour. So this is my the bannock mix, and I've already mixed the egg with it. Looks a right disgusting mess, but you know, it's not what it looks like, it's what it tastes like, isn't it? Eh? How much fun can a young man have, eh? I think we need to work on the basis that the more disgusting it looks, the better it's going to taste. We definitely ain't got enough water in there. Let's give that a bit of a mix. Sweet. Good old Vaseline and cotton wool. This stuff is one of the best fire starters you can get. Obviously you have to make it yourself, but it doesn't grow in the wild. So, chuck a few bits in there, shall we? Pull away. So, let's cut a hole in the corner, put the knife down. So what we're going to do is pretend we're doing some cake decoration and just squeeze it out. Make sure it doesn't like us. Having fun in the woods. Squeeze all that goodness out. Get a big there you go. Plop. So for some reason seems to be very low. Right, let's see what happens, shall we? If we ain't got enough fuel in there, which I'll be very surprised, then we'll just stick it on there. Look. Well, hey, that's starting to look pretty decent. Let's see. Just release the edges. Thing is, we don't want this to burn if possible, do we, eh, guys? Don't want it to look like a bloody tram smash, do we? Although I'm absolutely loving it out here. So it's really dark. Yeah, very peaceful, and yeah, it's good to be out. Back in a mo. Hey, can
Spun out.
Lovely. There's something really, really calming about being out here, even in the dark, you know. I like a little bit of solitude, not all the time, but you know, I'm not somebody who gets bored with my own company. That is nice. I saw some prints, probably muntjac, a little while ago, but I didn't have my camera out. That's on my way down here, so little buggers are out somewhere. I've had an absolutely lovely afternoon. I really do appreciate you dropping by, checking out my vidge. Still picking at the saucepan. Really appreciate it.